Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I'm out front of our Boxborough showroom where there's a bunch of exciting inventory. But in this video, we're going to focus on this 2021 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Centenario. This bike is in amazing condition, and it is low mileage with only 1,500 miles. It is available at the date of this video post here at AlphaCars. You can view the availability and the pricing on our website, which is linked at the top of the description below. You're just one click away from viewing that information, along with some technical data about the bike and some professional images. In this video, we're gonna do a condition overview of this Moto Guzzi and talk a little bit about it, as it is the special edition that they made for this 1 year only for 2021, the Centenario, and it celebrated Moto Guzzi's 100th anniversary. So it has this unique color scheme. And in 2021 as a whole, the V7 received a bunch of improvements, including the 850cc engine, which gives a 25% increase in power over the previous year model. Also a more refined chassis, new rear shocks, wider rear tire, a bunch of other really nice changes. These 2021s and up are very sought after because of these changes. So enough about that, let's start going around the bike. As you can see, you would pretty much think it's a new bike along with the other new bikes in our showroom. It was very well taken care of. It's a one-owner bike. They always stayed on top of the different services it needs, which is just basic maintenance, of course. And our service department did just do an oil change and oil service, so it is ready to go for this riding season. You can see the tires and the brakes are in good shape. On the listing on our website, you can view the remaining life of them, but we can see there's plenty of tread on that front tire, nice even wear. And I'm not sure, I don't think the camera will pick it up, but plenty of meat on those front brake pads there, and the rotor is very clean. The bike as a whole, the frame, the powertrain, of course these are the shaft drive here, the final drive unit. It's all super clean, paint finish is really nice. Now we're at the rear tire, bunch of tread left. Of course, there's no chain to worry about tensioning or maintaining. And the side paneling looks great. The engine, the heads here, the headers as well. It's all looking excellent. Really the only imperfection on this bike that I've found, there's a couple scuffs from the riding gear. So there's one scuff here, and there's also one kind of light scuff about right here. I think the camera picks it up a little bit there. So that's really it of what I've seen. The rest of the bike is very, very clean. And we can see the rear rotor here, nice and clean, nice even wear. This does have some accessories on it. It has a Givi rear rack, has the Givi engine protection as well on both sides. And then it has a Dart windscreen on it. Gives it a great look and offers a bunch of protection to the rider. And it does have the tender lead already installed. And I guess the last thing to do, let's put the ignition on. Let's fire the bike up. Put it on run. Fires right up. See the LED taillight. Exhaust, nice and clean, nothing out of the ordinary. LED headlight there. That flashing in the headlight is only due to the camera, the refresh rate. The light works as intended. And if I go through some of the modes here, there's actually a lot of information on here, about 1576 for mileage. You can even see it has the temperature on there. Let's give it a couple revs. This thing runs great, sounds great. We road tested it. Clutch is super smooth, shifts right through the gears as intended. That intake noise, that exhaust noise, it's really thrilling on the Moto Guzzi. So I want to thank you for watching this condition overview of this bike. If you have any additional questions, reach out to our sales team. The contact information will be on the screen in front of you. And we do offer vehicle transportation as well, so do keep that in mind. We can ship this bike right to you if you aren't local. So with all that being said, thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, leave a like and be sure to subscribe to not miss out on the motoring content.